You want to avoid the toxic fats. What's funny is these are the fats that were promoted as being heart healthy back in like the 90s and 80s, and why we got in so much trouble. But fats like the trans fats, hydrogenated, partially hydrogenated oils, margarine, vegetable oil shortening, corn oil, soybean, safflower, canola, cottonseed, these are all things that you want to eliminate from your pantry and never use again. Sometimes you'll see these things when you go and eat out, but just minimize the time you use those fats. At home, really just fill your cupboard with the good stuff.